Hello craft team, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. Please like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. I am Ibiwari, creative director of Ibi's Fine Crafties. So today we'll be making Sinamay leaf. Yes, the Sinamay leaf you saw at the beginning of the video, that is what we'll be making. For that we'll need our Sinamay, our scissors, our marching thread, our tape. We need water and iron, though is not shown. We'll be needing that also. So for this project, we'll be making two Sinamay leaf. One will be 6 by 6 inches, that is a square. Then the other one, the bigger one, will be 8 inches by 8 inches, a square. So for you to know that you have a perfect square, you can form a triangle out of it. When you have a perfect square, you can make a triangle out of it. Something like this. Yes, you can form a triangle out of your square. Then you know you have a perfect square. And so for we to cut our square, it should be on the bias. On the bias as it is in this triangular form. You cut it on the bias. So for you to get this square, you can actually make a pattern of a cardboard paper or any art sheet. You can make a pattern out of it from your size. Then you fold this your pattern in triangular form, place it on your bias and trace and cut your Sinamay in that form. It is easier that way. Very easy to make, trust me, it's very easy to cut out. Just place your pattern in the triangular form on your Sinamay that is on the bias. The bias is, when it's on the bias, is stretchy and it is easier to work with. So you just place it on the bias and trace and cut. So now to our project. As is in the triangular form, you fold it on itself once, press down while you're folding it on itself, then you fold again the second time. That easy and simple. Fold it on itself once, then you fold again the second time. Then you use your iron and iron it. You can actually place a cloth over your Sinamay before you iron on it. We do the same for our second pattern. You fold it on itself once, then you fold again. Easy and simple. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Ibi's Fine Crafties. Leave a comment for us in the comment section below. So the first one the camera did not capture it. So yeah, I've already made the leaf and I'm stitching to hold it in place. Not to worry, we have our second one, so you have to see the process. So please like, share, leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram at Ibi's Fine Crafties. Like us on Facebook at Ibi's Fine Crafties. Please, would like to hear your thoughts, something you like to see on our channel. Help our channel grow, please. So I'm just still stitching down the first one. It's easy to make, trust me. Very easy to make, very easy to make. So whatever you want to see on our channel, kindly leave it in the comment section for us. Share your ideas, your knowledge with us. Let's help our community grow. So we are done with the first one. I'll just do a quick knot on my thread, then we start off with the second one so that you can see the process that is not difficult. Trust me, it's not difficult. So here is when we need the water. Just spray on it. You know, Sinamay is a bit stiff because it's stiffened. The water helps it to be pliable. That is, it helps it to be easier to work with. It makes it easier to work it with. So we just spray where we want to work on. So you know, the other one of the rough part is where we folded. This other end that is rough is what now will fold into and form our shape. All you need to do is just bring it together. Just gently bring this rough bit together, just like you want to form plates or something. So just gently bring them together and you're done. You have your Sinamay leaf. That easy and simple. I told you all, it's very easy to make. So we are done. You can manipulate it anyhow you want. You can manipulate it anyhow you want. That is the beauty of spraying water on it. It's pliable then, so you can just easily manipulate it and get it to any shape or design you want. Then you hold it down in place with your needle and thread. That's simple. So I'll just stitch it down in place and we are done. So you can make it in different sizes and use it to design as a design on your headband, on your fascinator, on your hat, just anything. Be creative with your designs. Let your imaginations run wild. Anything you can make out of it. Make your shapes the way you want, manipulate it the way you want. It's yours. Just be creative with it. So while you're here, please like, leave a comment, share this video, and please subscribe. Help us grow our channel, please. We are done. Isn't this beautiful? We are done. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. So you can like us on Facebook at Ibis Fine Crafties. Follow us on Instagram at Ibis Fine Crafties. So this is one of our handmade headband. If you want to use it as an headband, use it on your headband. Sorry, if you want to use it on your headband, you just, maybe make a small base, stitch it down on this our handmade headband, and you'll be looking stunning. Believe me, trust me, you'll be looking stunning. Or you can use our handmade organza flower also as an embellishment on this design. Tell me you don't like it. Tell me you don't like it. I know you like it already. In fact, you love it already. It's so beautiful. Trust me, all eyes will be on you. Trust me, this is beautiful. It's so beautiful. I love it already. I love it. So you can just think of how you want to style it. Let your imaginations run wild. Style it the way you want. Be creative. So this is just on a headband now, just showing you that you can use it on a headband. You can also use it to style or embellish your fascinator. You can use it to embellish your hat. However you want to embellish it is yours and is your choice to make. So please like this video, share, leave a comment for us, and follow us on Instagram at ibisfinecrafties. Like us on Facebook at ibisfinecrafties. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and help grow our channel. Like I always say, be creative. Till next time, thank you. Bye all. See you in my next video.